My name is Nigel from Metal Conditioning Solutions. I'm a master distributor of Smt2 product range, and I'm here to show you what Smt2 fully synthetic metal conditioner can do for you using this friction brake machine. So what we have here is we have a friction brake machine. So we've got a torque wrench, metal bearing, and there's a pulley down here, simulating an oil bath. So what we're going to do is use your normal Penrite fully synthetic oil. I'm going to add that to the sump. That is here, into that sump there. And what we'll do is to show how normal oil breaks down. Doesn't matter how good it is, like that. Now what we're going to do is add the Smt2 to the oil bath. So what we do now is we're actually simulating that the Smt2 is actually, you see how it's actually going to get quieter as soon as the pressure's putting down. The Smt2 is actually penetrating that metal surface. So the more it heats up, the more it penetrates to the surface. To see more pressure I can put down, it's still spinning. So then what we do from here is, as this is very hot, we'll remove the oil bath. This shows that the Smt2 has actually penetrated that metal surface. So now we have no water, we have no lubrication apart from the Smt2. Put that down, you can actually see that the oil will actually start burning off that actual pulley, and the Smt2 has penetrated that metal surface. The more poundage I'm putting on there, the more it's not stalling. And you actually start to see that the oil actually burns off the actual bearing itself. See where that smoke's pouring off? And I can do this all day. Engines, gearboxes, diff and hydraulics. Smt2 fully synthetic metal conditioner. It'll be used on your car, four-wheel drive truck, forklift, motorcycle, any heavy machinery. If you use oil, you need Smt2. So this is the SMT range. We have 1, 2 and 3. The SMT1, which is a superior engine flush, gets rid of all your oil deposits and carbon deposits in your engine. The SMT2 is a fully synthetic metal conditioner that can be used in engines, gearboxes, diff and hydraulics. Can be used in cars, motorbikes, whatever you use oil on. And also then is the SMT3, which is basically a fuel system treatment. This does for petrol or diesel. It's an upcycle lubricant and also is a diesel bug killer. So if you're liking more information, see the details below.